Good morning students. This class we are going to learn about scientific notation. Already you are studied in your earlier classes. One more time I'll recall the scientific notation. Is a way to make these numbers easier to work with. Okay, make easier to work with. Now we on the short form of this kilometer. We can write 1.392 into 10 power 6. Form of 12,740. It can be written as 1.274 into 10 power 4. So the scientific notation is a way to make the numbers easier to work with. The uses of scientific notation in many of the branches are astronomers, biologists, engineers, physicists, and across quantities whose measures require very small or very large numbers. If they write the numbers in standard form, it may not help us to understand or make computations easily. So scientific notation is a way to make the numbers easier to work with. To write in scientific notation, follow the form a into 10 power n, where 1 less than or equal a less than 10 and n is an integer is called as scientific notation. So expressing a number n in the form n is equal to a into 10 power n, where a lies between 1 and 10 except 10. And a is an integer is called as scientific notation. A decimal number in scientific notation. Here are steps to help you to represent a scientific form. Move the decimal point so that there is only one non-zero digit to its left. So left to only one non-zero term you take it. Count the number of digits between the old and new decimal point. This gives n the power of 10. If the decimal is shifted to the left, the exponent n is positive. If the decimal is shifted to the right, the exponent n is negative. Shifted to the left, exponent is positive. Decimal is shifted to the right, the exponent n is negative. Decimal notation 100 and the scientific notation of 100 is 1 into 10 square and 1000 is 1 into 10 cube, because 1 after 3 zeros, so the exponent is 10 power 3. Here 10,000, so 4 zeros, you can write 10 power 4. 1 lakh is 1 into 10 power 5 and 10 lakh is 1 into 10 power 6 and 1 crore is 10 power 7. And the decimal notation 0.01 can be written as 1 into 10 power minus 2, because a point after 0, 1. So we move the point is right side. Okay, move the point is right side. So 1 into 10 power minus 2. How many digits you take it? 2 digits after we take the point. So here come 10 power minus 2. Here we take the point is 1 point. So 3 digits after we take the point. So 1 into 10 power minus 3. Here 4 digits after you take the point. So 1 into 10 power minus 4. This like you complete this decimal notations. Listen on example sum 2.28. Express in scientific notation. Read the number 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So 97 lakhs 68,854. Okay, here 0.04567891 and here also 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 7 crores, 20 lakhs, 6,865.48. So express in scientific notation. Write the given number. This point you take 9 after. Okay. So how many digits before you take this point? We want only one digit in the left side. So we consider 9 is the left side value. So 9 point. So decimal point after how many number of digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 numbers. We can write 10 power 6. So 9 point, write the given numbers into 10 power 6. So the decimal point is to be moved 6 places to the left. Okay, 6 places to the left. Therefore, we get this answer. The next number is 0.04567891. So we want left side only one digit. 0 is not valid, so we take this 4. So how many digit after you take this decimal point? Only 2 digit. Okay, 1, 2. So 2 digit after you take the decimal point here. So we can write 10 power minus 2. So 4 point, what are the numbers are given in this question? You can write it, the decimal point after. So decimal point is moved 2 places to the right. Therefore, we get this answer. Next question. Third is 0.48. So this point, you move it 7 after. 7 after you take this decimal point. So how many digits you move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places to the left. So n is 7. So we can write the decimal point is 7.2006865 into 10 power 7. Into decimal form. Listen it. First step, write the decimal number. And the second point, move the decimal point by the number of places specified by the power of 10. Okay. To the right if positive or to the left is negative. Add zeros if necessary. If you want 0, then we can add it. Then rewrite the number in decimal form. These are the procedures. So we use an example 2.39. Write the following numbers in decimal form. First one is 6.34 into 10 power 4. See the power of 10. Power of 10 is positive or negative? Positive. So if the power of 10 is positive, you move the decimal point to the right of 4 digit. Okay, 4 digit right side you move the decimal point. Now the number is 6.34. So we move 4 digits here the decimal point. So 4 digit decimal point to the right side. So the decimal point after only 2 digit, we want 4 digit. So remaining digit you consider 0. Okay, so 6.34 after you take 2 0. Now 4 digit after we take the decimal point. So this point is 4 digit after move it 1 2 3 4. So here we take the point. This after write the zeros or leave it. Okay, just you write this answer. This is the answer. The next question is 2.00367 into 10 power minus 5. See the power of 10. Power of 10 is negative. So if the power of 10 is negative, you move the decimal point the right or left? Left side. Okay. So 5 digit before you take the point. 5 digit before. Already 1 digit having. So remaining digit you write 0. Okay, 0 point. This 2 before you take 4 digit, then only we get 5. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 2 remaining digits you write it 0 0 3 6 7. So this 2 point only given in the question. So this point you take 5 digit before. So 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digit before you can take this point. So this is the answer. Okay. In scientific notation, if the indices in the scientific notation of two numbers are the same, add or subtract is easily performed. The indices in the scientific notation of two numbers are same, then the addition and subtraction are easy. Listen example 2.30. The mass of the earth is 5.97 into 10 power 24 kg and that of the moon is 0.073 into 10 power 24 kg. What is their total mass? Listen, the indices are same. So addition part very easy. So we add the total masses, we add the given terms. So 5.97 into 10 power 24 kg plus 0.073 into 10 power 24 kg. So indices are equal. So we take outside, add the decimal point number 5.97 and 0.073. We get 6.043 into write this 10 power 24 kg. And then listen the next point. The product or quotient of numbers in scientific notation can be easily done if we make use of the laws of radicals. Laws of the radical is a power m into a power n is say a power m plus n, and a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. Then a power m the whole power n is a power m into n. Okay, this is the law of radicals. We use this one and complete the scientific notation. Listen example 2.31. Example 2.31. Write the following in scientific notation. 5 crore the whole power 4. First you write the scientific notation of 5 crore. 5 crore is the decimal point before only one digit in the left side. So 5.0 into how many zeros? 5 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 power 7. Okay, this is the scientific notation of 5 crore. The whole power 4. So now you take the power in this 5 and 10 power 7. Okay, so 5.0 the whole power 4 into 10 power 7 the whole power 4. Already you know the radical formula. A power m the whole power n is a power m n. So 10 power 7 the whole power 4 is we get 10 power 28. 5.0 the whole power 4 is 625. Okay, again we can write 625 into scientific notation. So 6.25 into point after 2 digits, so 10 square into 10 power 28. Again one more formula we use it. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. We add the power value. So 6.25 into 10 power, here 28 plus 2 we get 30. So this is the scientific notation of 5 crore the whole power 4. Second question, 0.000000005 the whole cube. 5 before 7 zeros. Okay, so let's write in the scientific notation. Scientific notation, first point is we should write the decimal point left side one digit. Okay, here invalid digit 0. So write this 5 in the left side of the decimal point. So how many digits after you take this decimal point? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit after you take the decimal point, then only we get 5 in the left side. So we can write 5.0 into 10 power minus 8, negative value. Okay, because you move the decimal point right side of the digit. So we get the negative value, 10 power minus 8 the whole power 3. Now take power 3 inside. So 5 cube and 10 power minus 8 the whole power 3. 5 cube is 125. And here we get it a power m. The whole power n is a power m into n. A power m the whole power n is a power m into n. Then find out the product of power. 8 3s are we get minus 24. Now this step a power 125 write in the scientific notation. So 1.25 into 10 square into this term is 10 power minus 24. So a power m into a power n is we add the power m plus n. So we add this 2 power 2 plus and minuses we get minus 2 minus 24 is subtract but write the greater number sign. So minus 22. So the scientific notation is 1.25 into 10 power minus 22. Decimal point after you don't read 25. Okay, 0.25. Okay, 25 read it 1.25. Don't read 1.25. Next part is 3 lakhs cube into 2000 power 4. So we can write the scientific notation of 3 lakh. 3 lakh is 3.0 into 10 power 5 zeros having. So we can write 5 power the whole cube into 2000 scientific notation is 2.0 into 10 power 3 the whole power 4. Again we split the number using this power. 3.0 the whole cube into 10 power 5 the whole cube into 2.0 the whole power 4 into 10 power 3 the whole power 4. Now we find out the 3 cube value. 3 cube is 27 and 10 power 5 the whole power 3 is, we find out the product of power using the radical law. So 10 power 15 into, here 2 power 4 is 16 and 10 cube the whole power 4 is, we get 10 power 12. Now we find out the product of 27 and 16. 27 16s are, we get 432. So 432 into, this one 10 power 15 into 10 power 12 is, we add the power 15 plus 12. So 15 plus 12 is, we get 27. Again we can write the scientific notation of 432. 432 is 4.32 into 10 square. Because decimal point after 2 digit having, so we can write 10 square into this 10 power 27. Again we add the powers, 10 power 29. So the answer is 4.32 into 10 power 29. Listen the fourth part. 40 lakhs the whole cube divided by 0.00002 the whole power 4. So write the scientific notation of 40 lakhs. 4.0 into, count the zeros and write 10 power 6 the whole power 3 divided by, here decimal point after 5 digit after only the number. So we take the number in the decimal point left side. So 5 digit after you move the decimal point for the right side. So here we get it 10 power minus 5 the whole power 4. Now you split the number using this powers. 4.0 the whole cube into 10 power, you find out the product of the power 18 divided by, here also 2 power 0 the whole power 4 into 10 power minus 5 into 4 is minus 20. Then 4 cube is 64 into 10 power 18, 2 power 4 is 16, 10 power minus 20. Write the fraction form. So 64 into 10 power 18 by 16 into 10 power minus 20. So 16 is 116 is 16, 16 4s are, we get 64. Then a power m by a power n. What's the formula? A power m by a power n is a power m minus n. Okay, we use this radical law. Write the step. 10 power 18 minus of minus 20. This one a power n, this one a power m. So a power m minus n is 18 minus of minus 20. Minus of minuses, we get plus. So 18 plus 20. 18 plus 20 value is 38. So the scientific notation of the given question is 4.0 into 10 power 38. Thank you, students.